We're back after Christmas. Hope you've had a great Christmas and a new year. And it's 2025. So, where are we? We've got the L4. Sam's been in over the Christmas period. So they stripped it all, and this one were absolutely filthy. So this one's all been cleaned. All the little rust spots and things have all been ground down. And we've had the hammerite red oxide on them. Completely stripped down, cleaned, brackets taken off at each side. Left the bulkhead in for the time being, but that'll be coming out. Sound deadening is just being started, as you can see. Pig van's nearly ready to go, just the wheels on, fridge in. That'll be going next week. And same with Helen's. Black and green. Rick's just got to bang the worktop on. The bed's all done, ready to go in. James is coming down to do the flooring on his way back from Scotland. He did come in before Christmas, but we were supposed to be having a wood effect, and we opened it up and it were grey. So unfortunately that didn't go. Otherwise this would have been pretty much ready before Christmas. I think that's about it for the time being. Where the fuck is everyone? Where is everyone? What's going on in here? Put big light on, Cap.
Union meeting.
Right, innit?
Did it finish this?
Shut the door, we're having a meeting.
Alright. Tatty boys. Pig van's off today, so I thought we'd give you a little look round it before we go a proper look round it. Start with the outside, because that is a good looking vehicle. Again, we've got the Rogues on there with the Compasser all-terrains. It's had a full body kit on, so the front splitter, side steps, rear bumper, rear spoiler. I'll see if I can throw you a picture in now of what it did look like. Had the pop top on, again in the gloss black. Your front bumper has been resprayed in gloss black, as well as these little flary bits. That's why I went for the wheels in gloss black. And if I don't say so myself, that is one good looking van from the outside. Let's go in. Now obviously it's different to our normal kind of builds that we do, with it only being quite small with the pop top. I'm not going to mess about putting the pop top up because everybody's seen a pop top up before. We've got a little calling card though on there, haven't we, with the ceiling lats. I don't think you'll see another little van as cool as this. We've got seats, which I think I've showed you before, with a nice green colour trim. 50 litre fridge. Induction hob, because again completely gas free on this one. which again you don't get many of them which are completely gas free. The RockNRollBed, which is the Vulcan rock and roll, in my opinion the best on the market for the rock and roll beds. Oak worktop, and this oak table coming out which has got this nice little curve to it. We have diesel heater, so it's got heating again. Not many of these little vans have a diesel heater. We've got an Renogy inverter charger, 2 kilowatt, which is more than enough to run the induction hob. And then we've got the Renogy shunt up there with the screen, so you can see 304 amp hours, so it's pretty much still at 100%. A nice little under counter light that gives you that little mood lighting when you're in the van. All the windows have got curtains on, same on this sliding door here. You've got the curtains, blackout curtains, and on the back windows there. Usual James at First for Floor. Now, we always mention James First for Flooring. Now, he's fantastic. He does all of our work. He's done one of the houses that I own. He's done one of them for us, which is going on the market to sell. He's done all that. He's doing my personal house. He's done quite a few YouTubers' vans, a few YouTubers' houses now even. I think he did the Radfords last week. So all their new kitchen flooring's been done by him. If you are in the market, and the best thing about James, with him being a van lifer, where if you're from, it don't matter whether you're in Scotland or Portsmouth, he can come to you. So massive shout out to James. I'll pop his link or his number or something like that in the description. If you need any flooring, if it's for a van, give us a shout and we'll get it all sorted for you. If it's for a home, give James a shout direct, or even give us a shout and we can pass you on to his details. But believe me, you won't get a better service. And I used to be in the flooring game. That's what I used to do before doing the campers. I was in the flooring industry all my life. So he's unbelievable, he really is. Anyway, enough whittering about him. It's just a very pretty van, and I don't know whether I've mentioned with the herringbone flooring and stuff, but I don't know whether I've mentioned it's actually for sale. You could buy this. It could be for you. We have got a viewing on it on Saturday, so that's why a friend of ours is coming to pick it up, so I can go show a lady it. So I'll be very surprised if it doesn't sell. So if you are interested in it, just give us a shout and we'll see if it's still available. Show you the electric. Obviously we don't have much space for anything in here, so I've had to be a bit creative with the electrics. So again, full Victron system bar the inverter. So we've got an MPPT 20 amp, 200 watts of solar on the roof, an 18 amp DC to D charger, DC to DC charger. Obviously all your hookup malark is on there. And then in this bottom one you'll see 305 Pogstar Drift Eco. And then I don't know if you can see back there, but house behind there is the, oh, we've got the isolation switch there, but behind that is the big beast of an inverter charger, 2 kilowatt inverter charger, which again for something like this size van is almost unheard of. It's an absolute stunner. Absolute stunner. If the first person to view this doesn't buy it, I'll be absolutely baffled. 2021, 60 or 70,000 miles on the clock. Wet belt's already been done, you don't have to worry about that. Full service history. That is an absolute beauty. This one, give you a sneak peek. This is pretty much done. we just put the shower door on. All in there is done. I've got the cushions in the car for that. Sam Wheel, see his feet back here.
Doing a garage light.
Hi Sam Wheel!
Hello.
It's good to see you.
I know it's been a while.
I know. But Sam's just doing the garage light in here and extending the fridge cable. I've got half a day just finishing up with the trunking and whatnot. Put the batteries in here. And then that, when's that going?
Which one?
This
Saturday.
one? Saturday.
Today's Thursday.
We're working Saturday.
Yeah, what on yours?
Woohoo, Sprinter.
Have we given any specifics yet about the van? We're saying electric power and stuff. But it's a beast, isn't it?
What? Little one? Pig van?
Yeah.
Yeah. Unbelievable.
Was it 300?
305.
Beast.
Okay. I don't know whether I've got a clip, but let's go back in time. Brrr. Do you like pig van, Rick?
No, I don't like transits.
Yeah, no.
Do you have to get so close?
Sorry. Hi, Stu.
It's even making up noise.
Brrr. Back to the present day. Do you like pig van?
I like that pig van.
Hey, it's beautiful, isn't it?
I'd buy it if I weren't poor. That's nice, that.
It is beautiful.
It is. If we could be bothered, we'd lift the roof,
Yeah.
get the bed out, but we're probably she's going in and out.
No, and
it works.
Everybody's seen a pop top up, haven't they? They don't need to see a pop top up. But yeah, it's beautiful.
We showed them about lights.
Everything, we've been in it.
Been inside. What?
So this is going to be the display van. My van / display van for work. Stu's doing a bit on it at the moment. So just getting bulked out and everything. So me, Sam and Rick are all in working on that on Saturday. So we have, for this one, I'll give you a sneak peek. We've got these beautiful fiberglass extension pods. I'll tag the guy in where we're getting from, is local to us, and they're a lot cheaper than what they are out there, and in my opinion the design's a little bit sleeker. So yeah, if you've got a Sprinter, give us a shout for them. But yeah, this is I know it don't look pretty special, but it's going to be wow. So on that note, thank you for tuning in. Sorry it's been a bit of a bitty video. It's goodbye from me. It's goodbye from...
That's not a very flattering angle, is it? Have you...
Goodbye.
And it's goodbye from...
Right, tell them there'll be another van tour of this van next week.
Yeah, this will be next week, won't it? We'll do a full, nice van tour.
And then we've got Stu's ready.
Oh yeah, we've got that Sprinter. We'll never give you a tour of that
Stu's
Sprinter as well.
We've got 3 van tours coming through of jobs completed.
Wow.
And
We didn't want to just put them all into one though, did we? So
we've got about 7 other vans in the pipeline as well.
yeah, that one's just been started. Another one outside just been started. One in the paint shop. Anyway, I'm yammering.
You have yammered.
See you tomorrow. No, it's not tomorrow, is it? See you next week, or maybe week after, or whenever we can put it out. But thank you for watching. You like it?
Yeah, I want it.
Want to buy it?
No.
It's for sale.
No,
It's for
it's
sale. For sale.
If I had the money, I hate transits, as you well know. Right? But this is by far, I'd have this one. I like this one.
Beautiful, isn't it?